How can you perform a Google search on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So most likely you can just utilize Siri, like hold down on the digital crown and ask some questions, which is going to use the internet search, most likely also through Google, and it's going to show you some like different websites, or depends on what you ask, but it will give you some internet results which you can tap on and it will open up like this sort of result in here in this integrated browser. However, if you specifically want to get to Google, what you could do is technically on the iPhone, go to your messages and you can text yourself like your own number. So you open it up like this, go to your own chat, and you can type in the google.com URL. And it just means that, of course, the very same messages will be accessible on the Apple Watch. And there you can click on it and it will open up with the browser as well. So you'll be able to see the Google search and you can actually tap on the search field. And you now have the ability to utilize the input methods like the keyboard or a dictation or even a scribble, and you can look for something through Google. Keep in mind that this is like a integrated web browser. It's not like the ideal case for browsing the internet because the Apple Watch screen is very small. So, perhaps you don't really want to do that, but if you really wanted to, that would be the way to do it. So let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up if it does in fact function on your device. Subscribe for more tips and videos similar to this, and I'll talk to you later.